Hello, I'm Chris Hatherley, CEO of the Academy of the Social Sciences in Australia. The year continues to march along, slower and more painfully, no doubt, for some than others. Like many organisations, the Academy has moved to online events and activities. And we have a whole range of really fascinating lectures and other events coming up this Social Sciences Week and over the coming months. I hope some of you will be able to get along to some of these. If you haven't done so already, I'd encourage you to listen to our new Seriously Social podcast program, where we have in-depth interviews with fellows on a whole range of fascinating topics. On the policy front, the Academy is working hard on a submission to the Job Ready graduates legislation and to the Engagement and Impact Review, among other things. Our focus on climate policy is also continuing. Last month, we had a roundtable involving a panel of fellows as speakers, as well as representatives from a whole range of industry bodies. There was real interest in this group for continuing to develop the Academy's ideas around new market-based mechanisms to control emissions. We're progressing with the Academy's first Reflect Reconciliation Action Plan and hope to be able to release this later in the year. Finally, Academy Fellows will soon receive an email regarding the general ballot and a call for nominations to fellowship in 2021. These are key parts of the Academy's annual election cycle, so do keep an eye on your email, and I encourage you to think about colleagues who you might consider nominating for fellowship in the future. Thank you.